Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture, which for me that will be the home screen, and it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that what you want to capture is right now visible. Once it is, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. Now actually just need to, I think, click it. Yep, so just a click of them and gives you share and scroll shot option. Scroll shot is something that you can utilize to capture a long version of a screenshot if a content can be scrolled down on, for instance like a web page. So that's one way you can do this. Another one would be with the 3-finger swipe down, though I might need to allow a couple of things right here. Now we need to allow it all. If you do limited or whatever, it won't work for moronic reasons. So you can see this is another way you can capture a screenshot. Once you've captured any kind of screenshot, you can open up your gallery application, and in here you can navigate to screenshots, in which you will find all the screenshots that you've captured over the time of using this device. And here are the 2 different ones that I have captured. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.